Let's transform your Shopify Refresher theme's header and footer into powerful branding and navigation tools that your customers will love. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. From there, click on Online Store, then Themes, locate your Refresher theme and click the Customize button. Once the customizer loads, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Let's start with the header. Click on the header section to expand its options. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your store's logo. Click the Add Logo button and select your logo file from your computer. You can often adjust the logo's size and position here to ensure it looks perfect. Next, let's connect your main navigation menu to the header. Under Menu, select the primary menu you've created for your store. This will populate the header with your important shop links. Many Refresher themes include an announcement bar at the very top. You can enable this to display important messages, promotions, or shipping updates to your customers. Simply toggle it on and type your message. Now, let's move down to the footer. Click on the footer section in the sidebar to reveal its settings. Similar to the header, you can add a footer logo here, which is great for reinforcing your brand at the bottom of every page. The footer is where you'll usually place secondary navigation, contact information, and links to essential policies like your privacy or refund policy. Look for options to add menu sections or individual links here. Many themes also allow you to add social media icons so customers can easily connect with you on other platforms, and you can often include your accepted payment method icons to build trust. Once you're happy with all your customizations, make sure to click the Save button at the top right of the screen to apply your changes across your entire store. And there you have it, a beautifully customized header and footer that enhances your brand's presence and guides your customers seamlessly through your Shopify store.